Sherlock Holmes. Or Ripper Street. Set. Set. All the way down. Okay, go. Alright, what's up everybody? Boy Jestro here. Here with another truck update. What do we have today? But another Eurorack module for my suitcase synth. Come on. Here, you guys might want to watch this. Really bad unboxing, huh? Woo. Rocky! I have a knife. Get out of my face. Get off of me. Come on, let's see if that'll do it. Yeah. Just not strong enough for this tape. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Really? Anyway, I'm just taking this full out. I can see it. What's with that? Oh, and I got cables. I forgot about that. Alright, well. There's the bubble wrap. Okay, so first off, I got 5/6 and 5/12" patch cables. You guys can check them. So check this out. Sixes. Alright. And then Pittsburgh Modular Sequencer. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's my first non-Dofer module, so this is a pretty big event for me. Oh shit. I got whatever that is. Some screws. Oh man, look at it. I've seen so many videos and pictures of it, now I got the real thing in my hand. Woo! Alright, let's plug it in and see what's up with it. Alright. Back again. I need an oscillator now, Mindy. Because I have my LFO triggering the clock. So, I can't really see it from here, but see, I turn the frequency up and I'll make this light blink faster, and it corresponds to the changing in the steps of the synth or the sequencer. So yeah, once I get an oscillator, then we'll be able to make some music, if that's what you want to call it. Alright everybody, see you in 2 weeks. So final thoughts, just want to thank everybody at Analog Haven for the module. Thought something weird happened with my transaction over the weekend, but it just took them a bit longer to process it. So I just got to be more patient in the future, because next module most likely going to be the STO from Make Noise. Yep, need an oscillator. Now I got a sequencer, LFO to control my sequencer as well as modulate the oscillator that I'm going to buy, and most importantly a mixer module to get it all out. And yeah, of course the casing with power supply. So thanks Sean from Analog Haven. And I will see you guys, like I said, in 2 weeks. Peace.